Hey guys, welcome to Outside. In this video, my third episode, I'll be doing some soldering. I'm showing you how to solder, what you're supposed to do, how to prepare wires and whatnot, how to take some stuff off through-hole circuit boards. You know, I'll just be doing the basic stuff to do with soldering. You know, you don't have to spend much money on a soldering iron. This one cost me $13. And it does a great job. It just takes a while to heat up, so what I do is I just walk out, switch it on, and then get all my stuff ready, and by that time it's usually good. So yeah, let's get down and show you some stuff. Alright, so this is my helping hand, and as you may guess, it is quite helpful. You can use these alligator clips here to grip onto things. It just helps keep stuff still because you don't have enough fingers. Alright, you got the soldering iron here, that's already been heated up, that's ready. Also I have this fan here, gotta switch it on up here first. That is very necessary because the fumes that the solder wire gives off is not very good. Right here, some solder. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is stripping off some wires and connecting them together, showing you guys how to do it properly. Let's just grab some pieces here. Get the wire stripper. Some pliers. There we go. That's one wire stripped. Where'd the other one go? God damn it. Where'd you go? There you are. Just get that in there. There we go. 2 wires stripped. Alright, the method that I normally would use is to grab the wires, kind of straighten them out and then fray them a little bit. Just like that, not too crazy. And then we can put them together like this, kind of like roll it. And as you can see, it's quite a nice bond already. There you go. Then we'll put it up onto our helping hand jig. What I'm going to do is just start soldering away at this wire. Set it up here so it's sitting inside the helping hand. What I'm going to do is just heat this up a little bit. And apply some solder. There you go. Simple as that. I'm gonna get your iron up against a metal surface or something, just to get that bit of solder off the actual iron itself. And as you can see, that's quite a nice solder. You should still be able to see the wire through the solder. It should only be coating all those little gaps in the middle. And that there will be stronger than the wire itself, I swear. I could not break that. I'm trying to pull that apart. I just can't. Alright, so the next thing I'll be showing is just removing some surface mount. I better zoom out a little bit here. Removing some surface mount bits. First I want to clip off all these random cables. Alright, so let's see if we can get rid of some more stuff here. So another one. Gotta see what I'm pulling out, so just put this on a bit of an angle. There's a nice little resistor there, and I could just go through this entire circuit board and just take everything out. But I probably won't. Just take a couple out. Heat up the top. Oh, don't touch the soldering iron with your knuckles. Ow. That kind of hurt a little bit. Wonder where that one is. Let's see if I can get that capacitor out. Good thing about this is, now that I've taken these out, I can show you how to solder some back on. Alright, let's do that next. To add this back on, I'm just going to put it on this side to make it nice and easy. I'm going to apply just a tad of solder. Like that. Then I'm going to heat it back up. Heat this one back up too. And there you go. It's attached. Move that big head out of the way so you can see it. Simple as that. Good thing about through-hole is you can use these components on breadboards, because the breadboard works with the through-hole concept. And it's not that difficult to solder. You've just got to get the knack of it. Once you got the knack, it's just clean sailing. Just go through and you can just pull out all these little bits that you want for other projects. It's real easy. See how long it takes to heat this big bit up. Come on, big bit of solder. There we go. Look at that, it's all shiny now. So yeah, it's fun to heat stuff up, isn't it? Alright guys, so there you go. That's the simple video on soldering. You don't have to spend much money on a soldering iron. This cheap one here doesn't have much thermal capacity. It takes a while to heat up, but it'll get the job done for any simple task. You know, if you just got this here, don't plan on using it much, it's really all you need to solder. I mean, you can spend $100 bucks on like those Heiko soldering stations and stuff like that. I mean, I'd like to have one because I heat up in seconds, but this is good enough for now. I know my soldering isn't top notch, but it's just to show you general ideas of how attaching wires. I mean, it's not too bad of a job. Not too bad. Well, rate, comment, subscribe if you want to. I'll be trying to post videos as much as possible so you guys can watch them. See you later.